Hey everybody, we are at Dollywood. It's opening night, opening day of the Harvest Festival. So we're gonna show you some of the different treats, some of the different merchandise, and everything that's new this year in 2021 at the Harvest Festival. Are you excited?
Yeah, and most importantly, we're gonna show you the pumpkins.
So stay tuned, here we go. Let's do this. Here's a look at some of the Harvest merchandise. And ooh, kids, I see something really good that we should get. Peach rings. We love peach rings. You can see this is kind of like the pumpkin tower shirt, the guitar, and they have the butterfly pumpkin. Those are 3 shirts. Those are neat. Got some orange and black cups. Got some mugs. And these guys, kind of your standard little squish guy. Oh, look at these little bats. Maybe we'll go play a game and we can try to win a little bat or something. Would you guys like to do that?
If not, you can always buy one.
Yeah, that's plan B right here if we don't win anything. And you got some other Dollywood. This is nice. You got an Autumn Splendor Harvest Festival. Got some different syrups, some different jellies over here. You got pumpkin butter you could get here. Oh, these are cute for $11. Here's a hoodie. You got, these ones are glow in the dark. You get this great pumpkin LumiNights shirt that glows in the dark. So this is great. These are kids sizes. So that's a great kids shirt. You got a black one as well. And then the hoodie. Oh, the hoodie's cute. Oh, this one's really cute for little kids. You got the frogs over by the drop line with the Dollywood logo. And these ones glow in the dark too. Got a standard little pumpkin smile. Here's some more just general fall merchandise. Got a couple different hats down here. A couple different mugs. Here's a Dollywood pumpkin shirt. And here's another short sleeve version. Here's a happy fall, y'all. Dollywood. Oh, this one's cute if you have any little ones. Here's the cutest pumpkin in the patch onesie for kids, and here's a smaller one for bigger kids. That is really cute. You got this nice pumpkin Dollywood. Here's a Take Me to the Pumpkin Patch Dollywood shirt. Here is a blue version. And here is a yellow version of a fall-looking butterfly hoodie. Got a little bit of a Smoky Mountain background. Got a number of different blessed harvest blessings. Here's a shirt of that same butterfly version up here. They have, looks like both long sleeve and a short sleeve. There's some other fall decor. So we're here at the Spotlight Bakery right when you walk into the park, and what's really nice is they have these signs that will kind of let you know, hey, here's a harvest specific treat or food at this location. So we'll probably come back and try one of these cookies for sure. So it's starting to get more people coming in. We're gonna try out a bunch of great food. Getting an early jump on Christmas here. You can come get a ornament. Got a number of different little small vendors. Have some live music along the way as we walk. So one thing I like to point out is There are certain menu items over here, and there are other menu items over here. This is the line to get what's on this menu, and this is the line to get what's here. So these are the corn hush puppies. Those are really good. So make sure you're in the right line, because if you're standing over here, you're not going to get what's on that menu. So get on the right side. The line for the train is super long. So if the train is on your agenda, try to get here early. And you can come and watch the horse. This guy makes syrup with his little setup here with the horse.
Pop that balloon, bud.
All right. Here we go, Hannah. Nice.
There you go.
Whoa, what'd you win? A little bat? Very cool. What'd you get? Oh, what'd you get? A spider? Wow, bat and a spider.
Thank you.
Here's some of the side carts. You can get a bubble wand, a pumpkin light up bubble wand, or a butterfly, along with some other different light up necklaces and sticks and all sorts of stuff that are great for kids as you walk through the great pumpkin LumiNights. Hopefully this video gave you a better look at the merchandise and a couple helpful tips. So hit that thumbs up button if it was helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more Dollywood videos and check out some of these other videos we've done of the Harvest Festival. Have a blessed day.